Model, 2012 Ford Transit Connect 201.8 TDCI 75 PS short wheelbase, body, white, panel van. Mileage, 194,826. Engine, 1753 cc DURATORQ TDCI E575A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Steering rack will need replacing, the high-pressure pipe bolt has threaded, could be repaired or replace the rack. Also the brake pedal is hard, will need vacuum pump replacing. Engine, clutch and gearbox are fantastic. Make what you want of it, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status,